Is your CRM a source of truth or source of frustration? Many sales teams invest heavily in CRM platforms, yet the data inside them is incomplete, duplicated, outdated, and inconsistent. Reps spend valuable time updating contacts, logging activities, fixing records, and searching for missing information instead of selling. Traditionally, CRM data is maintained manually by sales or operations teams, but manual processes lead to duplicate records, missing fields, inconsistent formatting, and unlocked customer interactions. Over time, teams lose trust in the CRM, reporting becomes unreliable, and the system turns into an expensive spreadsheet. The real problem is not the CRM itself, it is the lack of automation to capture, clean, standardize, and maintain data continuously. WinFuture solves this with an N8-powered CRM hygiene automation system that acts as a 24/7 data steward. First, we automate record creation and updates. When leads arrive from forms, emails, spreadsheets, events, or other sources, N8 checks for existing records, standardizes data, and creates or updates contacts and companies automatically. Second, we automate deduplication. The workflow compares records using emails, phone numbers, names, company domains, and custom identifiers. Clear duplicates can be merged automatically, while uncertain matches are flagged for review. Historical activities and notes remain intact. Third, we automate activity logging. By connecting tools such as Google Workspace, Outlook, Calendly, and Google Calendar, emails, meetings, and calls are automatically recorded in the CRM, ensuring every customer interaction is tracked. Fourth, we connect data silos. Information from support platforms, billing systems, forms, calendars, and internal tools is synchronized into the CRM, creating a complete customer view without manual data entry. The business impact is significant. Teams can reduce administrative work dramatically, improve data quality, eliminate duplicates, and maintain accurate customer records. Better data leads to faster sales decisions, improved forecasting, and a more scalable sales operation. WinFuture delivers this solution through 6 steps. Step 1. CRM and data flow audit. We analyze how data enters and moves through your CRM. Step 2. Hygiene rule definition. We define standards for formatting, validation, deduplication, and activity tracking. Step 3. N8 and workflow development. We build automated workflows to clean, enrich, merge, and synchronize data. Step 4. Testing and validation. We verify data accuracy, synchronization, and duplicate handling logic. Step 5. Deployment. We roll out the automation in phases to minimize risk. Step 6. Monitoring and optimization. We continuously monitor performance and refine workflows as your business evolves. If your team is still spending hours maintaining CRM records manually, WinFuture can help you automate CRM hygiene and keep your data clean, complete, and up-to-date automatically. Book a WinFuture demo to see how N8 powered CRM automation can transform your CRM into a reliable source of truth.